Hello, welcome to day 2 of what we're calling Vlogmas, which is just us opening our advent calendars. So we've got 4 of them, and we've swapped around which ones we're opening this time. So if you want to see day 1, it's go back on our channel. But today I am first opening the Funkos, the Disney Funkos. So let's find where number 2 is on here, which is here. It's all numerical on this one, so that's good. Yeah, I know, but it's easier for me. The character. Ah,
cool, Goofy.
Little Goofy. Again, we'll put the pictures in on the video just so you can see them close up in case they don't focus. But yeah, that's number 1.
I have got the Advent Calendar Game and Puzzle, Disney.
Yeah.
Number 2 is down here. Jasmine.
What have we got? Oh.
I think she's gone walkabout somewhere.
We're missing a person in number 2. If we find it at some point, we'll update you. But we've got the puzzle, unless it's just the puzzle pieces in this one, I don't know.
Oh, it could be that. That could be instead, maybe,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's a playing piece rather than a character.
Yes, okay.
So there's a little goblet or trophy.
Maybe it's what you win,
And 2 more pieces of the jigsaw puzzle.
which is basically the playing board, basically. I didn't say that yesterday. Again, we'll put in some close-up shots as well so you can see them. So number 3, today I have got the rubber ducky again. Sorry about the light, we've got a lot of lights on just to make sure it's not too dark. So number 2's here. Let's see who we get in this one. We've got the green hat. Ah, stuck. Here we go. Looks quite similar to the first one. But there he is. Little duck with a green hat. Again, we'll put in pictures so you can see him close up.
That leaves me with the Super Mario one.
Yep. See what we get today.
And number 2 up here.
It's a tiny one. Oh, you might not need scissors for this one. If you can even get it out. Bear with.
That was a really tight struggle to get that one out. We had to use a pen and a pair of scissors. We've got a little mushroom.
Yep. Well, again, we'll put in a picture below so that you can see it. But yeah, that's it for day 2. So if you want to see more, please follow along.